In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF viewer to your Weebly site in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to showcase a portfolio, share a menu, or present any kind of document directly on your site, this guide will walk you through every step to make that happen seamlessly. First, open up your browser and head over to Weebly's website. Once you're there, look for the login button, which should be located typically at the top right of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the sign in page, where you'll need to enter your email address. After typing in your email, go ahead and click Next to proceed to the next step. Here you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've filled that out, click on Login to access your Weebly dashboard. Upon gaining access to your account, navigate to the Overview section. This is where you can manage your websites. From the Overview page, you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it. Now find the button that says Edit Site. This will take you to the screen where you can start editing and customizing your Weebly site. Now let's delve into adding the PDF viewer. Look for the Build tab, which you'll find on the top corner of your editing dashboard. This area houses all the elements that you can add to your website. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll find a variety of different tools and elements that you can use to enhance your web pages. Begin scrolling down the elements block on this side to locate a specific option labeled PDF document. Once you've found the PDF document element, click and drag it over to the area of your web page where you'd like the PDF to appear. You'll see an option appear that says, click here to upload a PDF, which simplifies the process by offering a direct link to add your document. Click on this prompt and a new window will pop up, giving you the choice to upload file. Clicking on this button will open your computer's file explorer. Next, select Upload from Computer. This action will open a window to browse through the files on your local storage. From here, find the PDF document you want to showcase on your site, select it, and then hit Open or Select to begin uploading. And that's it! You've successfully added a PDF viewer to your Weebly site. Your visitors will now be able to interact with your PDF file directly on your web page, making it easier than ever to share valuable information in a clean and professional